Brining is the most simple way of preserving fruits and veggies for long periods of time with hardly any efforts other than keeping them sterile. But the dishes we can make out of them are just mouth-watering. In those days when it was rainy season and vegetables were scarce, these were the only source for side dishes. Now is the season of mangoes and the right time to brine them when they are in plenty and cheap. So here are some mangoes that we can brine. I have washed and wiped them dry. First, sun dry a glass bottle in which you will be storing them. Then boil water along with rock salt. For 1 kg of mangoes, boil 3 cups of water along with 1 cup of rock salt. Cool it and then add to the mangoes to the bottle brim. Also add a few peppercorns which will prevent fungus formation. Now close tightly and store in a cool, dry place. After a few weeks, you can see they have softened with their flavors intact. Always remember to wash well before use. With these brined mangoes, I am making a very delicious ghassi. Use 3 small or 1 large mango which is still a little hard. Wash them and then water them. Remove the seeds and then add the pieces to a pan.
Namaskaram. आम्ही आता शेंच्यापाशी चढा व्हिडिओज केले नसं ते सगळं तुम्ही व्ह्यू करून तीर्चयाയിട്ടും तुमगेला अभिप्राय सगळं घालका मी रांदूचे सगळं आम व्हिडिओज काढता ते सगळं लायक करून येल्पूतू एडिट करून घालता त्यावेळी आम्ही आमकां जाल्यार सपोर्ट तुम्ही दिला तर आमकां आनीक व्हिडिओज करू असेल प्रेरणा मेळटली त्यावेळी तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी लायक करका तुमगे फ्रेंड्स आली शेअर करका सब्सक्राइब करूक सांगू काय
Take half cup grated coconut in a mixer jar. Add 2 to 3 red chilies, quarter spoon of haldi and grind to a smooth paste, adding a little water. Add this masala to the brined mango. Also add a little water after washing the mixture jar. Mix well and bring to a boil. Use less salt than usual in the dish you are going to use them. Then lower flame and switch off when it boils again. And the raw smell has gone. Heat a pan with oil and splatter 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Then add half teaspoon urad dal and a quarter spoon of methi seeds. Finally, some curry leaves. Add this to the ghassi. Keep covered for some time. Now your Nonchambya ghassi is ready to be served with rice. Enjoy this meal. And as always, like, share and subscribe.